In this video, I will explain to you how to search for and install Metamask. Metamask is a Web3 browser that many Ethereum or EVM users use to hold their assets. This wallet can hold NFTs, regular cryptocurrency, even your dApps and other applications can be stored in your wallet. Just helps you keep track, keep them organized, and it's very important in order to receive tokens, especially tokens. All right. So what we did a Google search in the Google search engine, MetaMask. The first one pop up, metamask.io. Make sure it says metamask.io. There's a lot of scammers, there's a lot of phonies and frauds. So make sure you click on the right one, metamask.io. Look at the tag, look at the URL there. You click on it, give it a second to load. Now I'm not gonna go through the full process of installing because I already have it installed on my computer, but I'm gonna walk you to as far as I can, I should say. It is still loading. My computer is very slow, I should say. But give it a moment and it will load up. Once it load up, it's going to have a few things on the screen. Then it's going to show you some things about MetaMask, and then it will tell you pretty much about downloading the browser. Just wait a moment. Give it a moment. My computer is slow. If you're on your phone or your tablet or your computer, you may have more data or something and go fast. But mine goes slow. But it will get there. It will get there. No, we're looking at a black screen, but while we're looking at the black screen, you make sure that your tag, that your URL here says metamask.io. All right. That took a long time. MetaMask website here. Yours may look something like this at first. The white background hurts my eyes, so I turn it on dark mode, I should say. You can do that right there at the top. Turn it on dark or light if you want to. But anyways, when you come onto the site, right here where it says view portfolio, it will say download MetaMask on yours. All right. And then you will download the MetaMask, add it to your browser, and then all of this page will show up. As long as you are on this website URL extension here, you should be popping up to their website and be able to click right in this section where view portfolio, or either right here where it says view MetaMask portfolio, it will say download MetaMask for you if you do not have MetaMask installed already. All right. If you have MetaMask installed on your computer, you can disregard this video. So after you install MetaMask, click the buttons and download it, you will have an extension popped up in your browser, and it will look something like this. All right. Let's say 0 ETH. All right. And then we can go from there. All right. This is important in order to receive crypto tokens. So you have an account up here. You can add accounts or other accounts, things like that. When you first sign on to your MetaMask, before we go on to the next step, when you first sign on to your MetaMask, this is important. This is important. When you first sign on to your MetaMask, it will give you a secret phrase or mnemonic phrase or something like that. Write it down on a piece of paper off your computer device. No matter what it says, do not save it on your computer. Do not lose it, because that is your money, your emergency password. Okay? So no matter what wallet you use, you don't always have to use Metamask. You can use other wallets, a MyEther wallet or whatever, but your money is attached to that mnemonic phrase. So make sure you do not store it on your computer, online. No, don't just write it on a piece of paper and put it away. Do not lose it. It's important. I repeat, do not lose the mnemonic phrase that shows up beforehand. Then after that, they will give you a password to put in, whatever password you want, and then you will be here where we're looking at right now. All right? All right. So you click here. This will show you different networks. All right? You click here, show test networks. It will show the test networks. All right? There's a problem. MetaMask do not come installed with other blockchains and other networks. So what we do here, we will go here to chainlist.io. Give it a moment. You know, my computer's kind of slow. Let's try something else. Chain list. In the Google search. Chainlist.org. Sorry. Chainlist.org. Check the URL. .org. We'll go here. This is Chainlist. If you need to connect to another network, any EVM network or anything that runs off of Ethereum smart contracts, this is the network for you. This is the way you do it. We will go here and we will install. We will look up for Polygon. We will look up for Polygon here. All right. Let's try this again. All right. As you can see, as you're typing, things pop up here like the Polygon mainnet. If you click right here on this button, it will show the test nets. All right. We will click here to install the Polygon mainnet. All right. Just click OK. You don't have to go to the other network if you don't want to. It will give you an option to switch there after it's adding the network. Allow this site to add network. See, you don't have to switch if you don't want to, and we're not going to switch. We will go down here and we will find the Mumbai network, Polygon Mumbai network. Mumbai is the test net for Polygon. Polygon has several blockchains. They all can talk to each other, intertwine with each other, and share information. That's what's so special about Polygon, I should say. It makes it difficult to hack or anything. If one blockchain get hacked, that's okay. We'll put your data on this one. That one get hacked, that's okay. We'll build another one. That's type of system that Polygon is made around. Avalanche blockchain is similar, I should say. And so we'll click Add to MetaMask, Mumbai Network. All right. We'll go up here to MetaMask. You have switched to Mumbai. Yes, we're going to switch it to Mumbai. Check it right there. Mumbai network. You can see your new block mainnet and testnet that you put on here. All right. This button here tells you if you're connected to a website, like this one, for example. All right. And it shows that we are connected to this website. You can tell because your URL address is there, and then right there it'll say account connected. All right. You could click on other buttons like in there to get to know the things, like this one will tell you different settings and things like that, and just play around with it. But this is how you do it. All right. So there are the test nets give away free tokens, like test tokens to test on. If you're interested in developing or trying out smart contracts or anything like that, just let me know and we'll go for that on the future. This Mumbai test net, this is where I'm going to send your tokens to. This is where we're building on. All right. And we will work from there going forward. All right. Mumbai network. All right. We will work from there going forward. And that is how you install MetaMask and the network that you need. I hope this video really helped you out a lot, and I will give you an update soon on your token status and how far along we are. All right. Thank you very much, and let me know. Goodbye. God has a message for you. Bye bye.